Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I'm talking about my morning cleaning routine. So obviously every morning it's not the exact same. There's going to be some differences, but generally every morning these are the three things that I like to get done first before all the other stuff. So first I am making my bed, obviously. And I'm going to go ahead and put away the extra comforter that I've had out for the winter since it's getting hot now. So I'm just going to fold that up and put that away, and then put on my little throw blanket or whatever you call it for if I get chilly on random nights. The next thing that I try to do first thing every day is start a load of laundry. So I think on this day I was putting in my second load of laundry, but generally I just try to get laundry in the washing machine as early as possible and get at least one load folded and put away completely every day. Sometimes even two loads, and there are some days that I miss and I have to play catch up, or I have to wash all the bedding, and that's extra loads, but generally speaking it's 1 to 2 loads start to finish every day. I like to listen to podcasts or YouTube videos while I clean. Then I will take care of the dishes, and optimally you would have the dishes from dinner done the night before, but some nights I just don't have it in me, and this is something that I'm working on, to have a clean kitchen at night every night. But right now in my season of life it's just kind of tiring, and by the end of the night I'm done. So sometimes I have to play catch up in the morning, so that's one thing that I'll try to catch up on after breakfast. Clean every morning before I start my day. If you're wondering about the bathroom, I know a lot of people tend to clean their bathroom in the morning. I like to clean my bathroom before bed, and usually while the kids are brushing their teeth or something. If you would like for me to do an evening cleaning routine, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day. Bye!